Hi, I'm Brett Malone, president of the UT Research Park.
My name is Bill Malkus, and I'm the executive director of the Spark Innovation Center.
If you're working in the advanced energy supply chain, the question isn't just what you're building, it's where you're building it and who you're building it with.
Spark is a 12-week accelerator for advanced energy companies, companies in mobility, and the supply chains that support them. You come here with a milestone, a test, a pilot, a validation step, and then you leverage that against our regional assets to advance to commercialization.
Spark has accelerated more than 50 companies. Our founders come here to learn and stay to grow.
Spark Accelerator is for companies selling into utilities, manufacturers, and regulated industrial buyers. Traction in this market requires access coordination and proof for regulators and buyers unique to East Tennessee.
Built in Knoxville, Tennessee, the epicenter of America's nuclear renaissance. We've seen over $12 billion in nuclear company investments within the last 5 years. Home to Oak Ridge National Lab, the Tennessee Valley Authority, and the University of Tennessee, we're becoming a national leader in AI and quantum innovation. The people that built the American energy system are still here.
Applications are open now until May 27th. Join us in Knoxville, Tennessee for access to the best manufacturing facilities in the world.